do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Waiting for the queue.
If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to my Vlogmas series episode 11. It's your girl now again, and today I'm going to show you my IKEA shopping and my IKEA haul. Here now, so I'm looking for my bedside table and I observe with all the furniture here. Hello, I would like to know where can I find the bedside table? Bedside table, yeah. No, big bedside. Yeah. Level 3. Oh, down one floor. Thank you very much. So it's on level 3, guys. Let's go with me. Level 3.
We talk on the phone every night.
But it's fake. I want real one.
When nothing really matters,
Here I found the real one.
that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget.
So I found exactly what I want. Now I'm going to order this one. I purchased my things and waiting for him. Right now I'm here queue for eat IKEA hot dog. I am eating hot dog at the IKEA. Let's go to IMM. Right now I'm going to meet with my friend and we go to Kaale tonight. Really? Why? Are you forget to close? You forget to close, right?
Oh, I think you came from this side. So that's why.
Really? Guys, I'm so happy to see the Christmas things all here. Oh my god, you can see the decoration. Oh my god. Is the place nice?
It's really nice and it's really beautiful.
Really beautiful. Everywhere is Christmassy decoration.
I
Yeah.
can feel the Christmas spirit.
Yeah, I can feel already, right? Hey girl, say hi to my vlog. So like I feel so excited.
It's my first time.
Yeah, it's my first time. Thank you. So today's video is about a tutorial vlog about how to color my hair. I color my hair using this baby shampoo, hair color tools, or hair color call it? Hair color tool. Okay, let it be. So I will use this. Firstly, I put my hair first layer inside the tool, and then I press the bottom. Okay. So after curling done, you can spread off with your finger like this. So beautiful. I would like to style this one with hair straightener. Hair straightener.
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
And today I have to go to collect the furniture from IKEA. Yesterday I go to IKEA at Jurong East, and I ordered some furniture for myself as my gift for myself. So today I'm go and collect that thing. So let's go with me. Today weather is gloomy, not sunny at all. My mind also gloomy. Please, sunshine. Where's the sunshine? Show me some sunshine, please. I just arrived to the bus stop here, so looking for the building and collect the things. So go with me. I came the wrong side, so I have to go again. It's okay, it's near, I can see it. It's there. IKEA. Just get back home and I get this package from IKEA. So I order bedside table, so let's do installation for the first time. Also have a manual book here, so let's see the manual and do installation.
I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
So this is the final result of my bedside table. So this is the final installation look of my bedside table. I love it so much. So with my Christmas gift for myself.